We looked earlier at the various pens we have, and one of them is a creative pen, which just have a bunch of funky pens to write with, and you can of course change the thickness and all sorts of things, and more so in the property tab. But if for any reason you want to make your own creative pen, then there's a way to do that, and this here shows you the process, but I'm going to show you in the tutorial as well. First of all, you need to think what is it that you want to use, and so I went on the internet and I found a little picture of a skeleton, and I'm going to right click it and I'm going to save that image first, and I'm just going to put it on the desktop. Skeleton stamp. They call them stamps because repeated the little images which are drawn with the creative pen. So here it goes, skeleton stamp, and I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back to the Smart Notebook software, and you under the property tab in the page under line styles, you've got a use a custom stamp image. I'm going to click that, and then you can select or you can browse. So I'm going to click browse, and here we go. Here's my skeleton stamp. Select that and open, and you see that it appears here. I can test it. There we go. Let's make it bigger, and it draws lots of skeletons. If I save the tool properties, then you will see that it replaces the one I was on earlier here. So the colorful one is gone, and now I've got my skeleton. So if you work on a certain theme and you want the kids to just have fun playing with that, or you want to make one so that you can decorate pages, then you can do that. For example, if we look at the next page, I made one for soccer and South Africa. So I basically found the South African flag, found a soccer ball, and made each of them into a magic pen, and then did that. To show you the process quickly again, let's say we're learning about ancient Egypt, so I'm going to look for a pyramid. Let's use this one. And you ideally want to look for one which are PNGs, which means they have no background, and that they're not from a stock. So let's find something else. Pyramid, PNG, clip art is a good idea. There we go. Maybe we can use this one. This one has white background, so let's look for someone without background that also have a white background. Just looks like not having much luck today. There we go. Simple one, but we can see that it has the clear background because we've got those gray and white boxes in the back. So again, I'm going to go through the process, save image as pyramid PNG, and I'm just going to change that to stamp so I know what it's for. Save. Go back to the Smart Notebook software. Let's browse here, and it is open. And now I can make multiple pyramids. There we go. Have fun with it.